Make a great choice today with the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, hill descent control, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.